Good morning, students. We are going to about discuss of statistics. Okay, statistics definition, that is, statistics is the branch of mathematics which deals with the classification, collection, classification, representation, analysis, and interpretation of a numerical data. Statistic, who is the father of statistics? Sir Ronald Fisher. Stats డేటా అనేది ఎలా యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారంటే ఈ యొక్క సొసైటీలో ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అబౌట్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 5 years బడ్జెట్ కానీ, నెక్స్ట్ సెన్సెక్స్ అంటే మనం పాపులేషన్ ఆఫ్ పాపులేషన్ ఇన్ ఎలా కౌంట్ చేస్తాం అంటే 10 years కోసం మనం పాపులేషన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం, ఆ విధంగా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. నెక్స్ట్ మన ఇండియాలో పూర్ పీపుల్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నారు వాటి గురించి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, అంటే ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ పర్సన్, అన్ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ పర్సన్, వీళ్ళ గురించి అనలైజ్ చేయడానికి. నెక్స్ట్ బిజినెస్ పర్పస్లో ఇలాంటి వాటిలో స్టాట్స్ అనేవి యూజ్ చేస్తారు. అంటే డేటా, ద కలెక్టెడ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ డేటా. ఈ డేటా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ద్వారా మనం కొన్ని స్టాట్స్లో యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం అనమాట. అంటే దీనిలో ఇంపార్టెంట్ డెఫినేషన్స్: మీన్, మీడియన్, మోడ్, రేంజ్. సో మీన్, median, mode, range. So mean is the average of the numbers. Median, the middle term. Mode, the most frequency value. Range, the difference between highest value and least value. For example, you take one example. You can take one example: 12, 19, 17 and 22, 50. So you take 5 observations, find mean value. Mean equal to, mean or average, same value. This formula, sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of observation 5 numbers, total sum of 5 value 5 numbers: 12 plus 19 plus 17 plus 22 plus 15 by the number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So sum of these values equal to 85 by 5. So dividing 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 7 is 35. So mean equal to, mean value 17. And next find another value, median. Median equal to the middle term. So middle term, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So middle value 17. The left of 2 numbers and right of 2 numbers remove, and which one is the middle value? 17. So median equal to 17. For example, these numbers, so given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number of observation, n is odd number, one formula; n is a even number, another formula. For example, we take n is a odd number equal to n plus number of observation, n means, so n plus 1 by 2th term, and n is even number, n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. For example, number of observations for the middle term is 70. Give and take number of n values 5. Here n equal to, substituting in number, odd number, 5 plus 1 by 2. So 6 by equal to 1 is 2. So third term is mean. Third term which value? 17. So third term mean value. And another we have take for example 16. Okay. So n, how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So number of observation 6. So n is a even number. For example, n is even number. Number of n value 6 by 2 and 6 by 2 plus 1. 6 by 2 equal to 2 1 is 2 3. Third, 6 by 2 equal to 3 plus 1. Third term plus fourth term. Two terms are not given, only one value. So third term 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third term, fourth term. So third term plus fourth term by 2. Third term value 17 plus third term plus, so 17 plus 12, 39. 39 by 2 equal to 19. So middle term equal to 19 point, another value. Next we'll find a mode value. Twelve, 19, 17, 22, 15. So what is mode? The mode value most occurrent frequency value. So number of times repeating number in this. So which number repeating? There is no number of repeating. So mode is a no mode. So given number, because no mode, the number, which number, the numbers are not repeating in term. So the numbers are a no mode. Range, the highest frequency value, the difference between highest value and least value. For example, difference between highest value and least value. Which one is the highest value? 22 minus least value. So 22 minus 12 equal to 10. Okay. So find a mean, median, mode, range. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Discuss about mean. So arithmetic mean is very important portion in statistics. Arithmetic mean of group data, there are three types. So arithmetic mean, in order to make a life easy and save time and energy. So there are three types of mean: direct method, assumed mean method, step derivation method, so direct method, mean equal to x bar equal to summation of fi xi by summation of fi, and x bar equal to assumed mean a plus summation of fi di by summation of fi, and step derivation method x bar equal to a plus summation of fi ui by summation of fi into h. So here direct method x bar equal to summation of fi frequency values and observation xi by summation of fi, and next assumed mean method a equal to assumed mean next one fi frequency value and xi class marks are with values. Next di derivation and summation of fi equal to total sum of frequency value so di equal to xi minus a for and another one ui equal to xi minus a by h. So h is equal height of the class interval, length of the class interval, length of the class. So these are mean three methods: direct method, assumed mean method, step derivation method. Direct method x bar equal to summation of fi xi by summation of fi, and assumed mean method x bar equal to a plus summation of fi di by summation of fi. Step derivation method a plus summation of fi ui by summation of fi into h. So a assumed mean fi frequency, di derivation fi equal to total frequency di xi minus a formula ui equal to xi minus a by h. How take for one example and solve these three methods: direct method, assumed mean method, and step derivation method. Example problem for class marks, class interval, and students class interval and number of students. Into 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, 85 to 100. These are class interval. The number of students and frequency value, fi value, and 2, 3, 7, 6, 6. For example, the class intervals and for example, for marks, number of students, total number of students, sum of these numbers 18, 20, 30. Sum of fi value equal to ఇక్కడ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ వాల్యూ అంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ సమ్ చేస్తే మనకు 30 వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ మార్క్స్ అంటే 100 మార్క్స్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తే 10 నుంచి 25 వచ్చిన మార్క్స్ వాళ్ళు 2 మెంబర్స్, 25 to 43, 40 to 55, 7, 55 to 70, 6, 70 to 85, 6, 85 to 100, 6 మెంబర్స్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇవ్వచ్చు, ఇక్కడ హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ అంటే ఏ విధంగానే ఇవ్వచ్చు ప్రాబ్లంలో మనకు. దీన్ని బేస్ చేసుకుంటే 2 ఇస్తారు ఇక్కడ టేబుల్లో. ఈ టూ టేబుల్స్ ఇచ్చేస్తే మనం విచ్ వన్ మెథడ్ వాళ్ళు ఏ మెథడ్ చేయమంటే ఆ మెథడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో ఫైండ్ డైరెక్ట్ మెథడ్. సో డైరెక్ట్ మెథడ్ ఫార్ములా x bar equal to summation of fi xi by summation of f. సో మనకు xi వాల్యూ ఇవ్వలేదు అంటే క్లాస్ ఇంటర్వల్స్ ఇచ్చినాం. xi వాల్యూస్ అంటే మీ క్లాస్ మార్క్స్ అండ్ బిగ్ వాల్యూస్. బిగ్ వాల్యూస్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి అంటే క్లాస్ మార్క్స్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఇక్కడ xi వాల్యూస్. ఇక్కడ xi వాల్యూస్ అంటే ఇక 2 యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి అంటే లోయర్ లిమిట్ ప్లస్ అప్పర్ లిమిట్. ద అవరేజ్ ఆఫ్ ద లోయర్ లిమిట్ ప్లస్ upper limit. Class marks equal to lower limit 10 plus 25 by 2 equal to 35 by 2. 35 to 1 is to 17.5. Another one 20 plus 25 plus 40 equal to 65 by 2. 2 1 is 2 3s are 2 2s are 32.5. Next one 40 plus 95 by 2. So 95 by 2, 2 4 are 8, 2 7 are 14 plus 47.5. Next one 55 plus 70 by 2, 5, 125 by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. 62.5. Next one, 70 plus 85, 155. 155 dividing by 2, 77.5. Next another one, 85 plus 100, 185. 185 by 2 equal to 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 92.1. So product of a, find out class marks and mid value. So next multiplication fi and xi, calculating fi and xi. So fi xi value, frequency value and class marks. So product in 70.5 into 2, 2 5 is 10, 2 7 is 14 plus 1 15, 2 2 1 is 2 plus 1 35. So 35.0. Next one, 32.5 into 3. So 97.5. 47.5 into 7. So 7 for the 28 plus 5. 332.5. And another one, 62.5 into 6. 375.0. Next one, 77.5 into 6. So 465.0. Next one, 92.5. +1 55. So 555.0. So direct method, x bar equal to summation of fi xi by summation of fi. Already sum of this summation of fi value 30. Next you find of a fi summation of fi xi value. So sum of these value, calculate 37.0, 97.5, 332.5, 370.0, 465.0, 5.0. Sum of these number 10. Next 15, 20, 30. 15, 20, 30. Point of number, decimal point. Next one, adding sum of these number, 10, 8, 3, 10, 18, 10, 32, 6, 0, sum of these number. Sorry. 5 plus 5 or 10. No? Correct. 15, 20, 35. Next one, 8. Stop there. 13, 10, 19, 12, 17, 18. 18. So decimal point 0. Summation of 1860. So direct method, x bar equal to summation of fi xi by summation of fi. Here sum of the fi xi value 1860 by sum of the frequency value fi value equal to 30. 0 0 cancel. 3 1 is 3 2. So x bar equal to direct method mean equal to x bar equal to 62. Okay. For example, once I can repeat you, given the class interval and number of students. So find direct method, you have to take mid values or class marks, xi values and product of these two numbers fi xi values. So sum of these number, summation of fi xi equal to 1860. So sum of the frequency value summation of fi equal to 30. So direct method mean equal to x bar summation of fi xi by summation of fi. So 1860 by 30, 0 0 cancel. 3 1 is 3 6 are 3 2. So mean equal to x bar equal to 62. Next, you find another method, azimuth method and step derivations. So these different methods solution, but solution also same 62. Okay, next another, right? Azimuth method.